This is a stainless steel travel kettle manufactured by Wahl, and I purchased this from Amazon. It comes with a 3-pin plug. It's a universal voltage, compact and lightweight, stylish stainless steel body, half a litre capacity, 1 kilowatt concealed element, LED indicator light, and 2 plastic travel cups. Okay. Get to this again. There we go. There. These are 2 little plastic travel cups stacked together. And then you've got the concealed element, which reduces the amount of limescale build-up and provides more longevity of the heating element. A reset switch and an indicator light. Comfortable, sturdy handle. A good construction. 3-pin plug. Cord's not very long, but you can also always get an extension cord, I suppose. There's nothing else in the box. There's a little manual with a UK address on it with a telephone number. Yeah. And it's the ZX643. That's the model number. There you go. Have a look at my channel for other reviews, and subscribe and comment. Thank you.